The Herefordshire, Worcestershire, Shropshire Training Providers Association, the TPA, is an association of 38 providers in the West Midlands, which includes colleges and independent training providers. The Provider Association is a great network for us and for the area that allows us to come together as a group to discuss common practice and issues about our sector. Within our sector there's a lot of small independent providers. With changes to the requirement for teacher training, it was identified that we couldn't all do a DETLS, a diploma in teaching in the lifelong learning sector. So we worked in conjunction with the West Midlands Centre for Excellence in Teacher Training, the WMCET at Warwick University, and designed a work-based DETLS programme that was accessible to all providers. What we wanted from a mentor was not somebody who was a line manager, not somebody who was judgmental, but somebody who could be a critical friend and support the candidate through their DETLS programme. Therefore, it meant it might be from another organisation, and we had to make sure that we had complementary and like-minded people working together that didn't see it as a competitive type of aspect. We developed a set of procedures for the mentor, a set of protocols that was part of the training programme, and also some training materials that we could use and put them online for future mentors. It meant then that we could have a pool of mentors that could continue the work on the contextualised DETLS. As part of the programme, we did initial standardisation of all our mentors. Then throughout the DETLS programme, mentors meet both virtually and as part of standardisation meetings to compare their particular processes. I think the biggest benefit would be access to certain expertise. As small providers, we don't have many qualified teaching staff, but we want to improve the number of DETLS candidates we have. Therefore, to access somebody who's already got a teaching qualification to support our DETLS candidate is good, and to have somebody from outside of the organisation is an added benefit because it gives a different perspective. I think the greatest achievement from this particular project is the way in which providers, especially small providers, have collaborated on developing a DETLS programme which is relevant to the sector, and we've created this pool of mentors which as a small providers we might never have been able to access. The benefit of this particular network and the project is to build collaboration and partnership, which at the moment we're in a particular climate and environment where that is all very important, and I would encourage providers to share these opportunities and experiences, especially for work-based training where you want to try and produce something which is tailored to your sector.